Literally Greg's on a £3 order and it's not going far. It's 10:41, so I can still pedal through here. Sorry, thank you. Let's get to Greg's. Go grab this order. I realised I had the bike light on. Everyone that comes towards me is going to be a bit blinded. This one's quite bright. But it's good for when you're on the road because the cars can see you. And no matter what colour clothes I'm wearing, they can't be like, we didn't see you. Even though it's daytime. So yeah, we ain't got far to go. You know what's crazy? I need to do a U-turn. I'm going to the wrong Greg's. Alright, we're making it to the right location. We ain't got far to go. I tend to do that sometimes. I should mainly look at the street name rather than the actual restaurant. I forget there's more than one at times. Oh my days. Yo. Why are you waiting in line?
Yeah.
Just go up to the door.
No,
just go up to the door. Oh, okay. Sorry, fellas. Cheers, bro. Okay, we have a drink. So someone was asking me why do I have 2 bags? Well, that's the main reason why. Because you're not supposed to store drinks together with food. Neither hot or cold should be stored together. Let's navigate. It's a 0.7. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to stick to the tram line because it will make my life a little bit easier for where we're going. Sorry, boss. I think it's the building literally here across the road. This might be easier than I expected. Beep, 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 beep. This vehicle is reversing. It says, give a thumbs up to avoid being knocked down. That's quite funny, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm delivering just over here to the left. Currently at a red light. Ooh. Oh, sirens are on. Thought I was getting pulled over for a second, but I'm not. The Greg's isn't yours. Let's go. Uh-oh. Yo, bro. No. Don't worry. He didn't get it. On the back it says thumbs up to get knocked down. But yeah, maybe you'll read it later on and be like, yeah. I believe we have arrived to the customer. Okay, this one requires a pin. Oh, is this miss here? Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. I'm gonna find out. Hello. How are you? Sorry. Thank you. Do you have a pin, sorry?
8447.
8447. Thank you.
Side of ways. Too hungover to deal with life.
Fair enough. I've got a drink for you.
The precious.
The precious. There you go.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
And you too.
Bye bye. See you soon. I'm literally just accepted an order from Hungry Panda. Across the road there to come back here. I'm pretty sure of it. That's crazy. Let me go get my order. Hungry panda. Hungry panda. No, I'm pretty sure the name of it is spicy dumplings. Okay, I seem to be getting comment after comment right now on YouTube. But that's gonna have to bear with me for a second, guys or ladies. Okay, I'm assuming it's inside of there. The Tintin, which is a food hall. So many people used to ask me about this place. I hope you managed to find it. Alrighty. Yo, that's quite cool. They have a little bike parking spot for the people that work here inside. Hello. Oh, is it spicy dumplings? Next door. Thank you. Hello, miss. I have an order to collect.
Oh.
Thank you. 5 minutes. Thank you. Ah, cool. Oh, wow.
Be careful, heavy soup.
Okay. I'm only going across the road.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye-bye. I'm not gonna lie, them dumplings look lovely. Oh, bike alarm's ringing off. Let me just drop my phone. One bag in. Now we're literally going across the road. It says that the entrance is by McDonald's. Okay. This is by far the easiest drop off of the day, I reckon. And I know the wait time was a little bit, but there was nothing else going on. There's no other jobs that I need apart from Tim's I could have took, but yeah. I was already there in motion, so I may as well just get on with it. Sorry, boss. Boom, 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 boom. Believe that was my quickest route. I'm literally about to arrive at Mackey's. I am going to go up around on the pavement. Because A, I know I can cycle here, and B, these are two big buses. Let me get past quick. And we've delivered the soup. Basically, anyway. It says the entrance is here by Mackey's, so it has to be this building here. Oh, Uber. Oh, that's going too far for both of them orders. We're gonna say no to that one. Let me find my Hungry Panda customer. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, it's Hungry Panda. I'm downstairs.
Okay, just wait.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye. Bye bye. Boom, boom, boom. Customers en route. This person gave clear details of where to deliver to, which is quite nice for once. The apartment door is next door to McDonald's. McDonald's is literally there. I wonder when Popeyes, not Popeyes, Pepe's opens. I said Popeyes. I like Popeyes. Hi, yeah. Have a great day. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. We are literally receiving, or I'm gonna confirm it before it's gone. It's £3.93p. It suggests it's going a mile from Jack's. Let's get to Jack's and I'm gonna take this order. I don't think there's any rush. Can't lie, whatever he's vaping stinks, bro. Smells horrible. I don't like vapes. Can't stand them things. And I can't stand being in the rebound of the smoke, bro. Oh god, it's horrible. Okay, let's go and collect this order. Hopefully it's ready for collection. Huh? They moved stores again, or was that another one? They just keep popping up everywhere over here. Jack's. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the AI on this phone bugs me, bro. It's going off as we speak, or it's listening as we speak. But I didn't ask it for anything. Okay, now Panda's offering me an order. Definitely don't want that Panda order, that is going way too far.
It's Hungry Panda. Here is a new order.
I think that camera died. It must have. Let me just close Panda for now. We're going 0.9 for near enough £4 if the map will load. I forget I have a horn on this bike, you know. I think after a few months, because I go through so many different bikes, I tend to forget some of the stuff that is actually on the bike at first. Mainly because I'm so used to riding the LE20. At this point I'm still looking for indicators, and then it takes me a second to realise, oh wait, wrong bike. Yeah, I actually do prefer this one over the LE20, to be honest with you. Mainly because it's lighter and I have a bigger box, so I can transport more. No, 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 Uber, no, no, no. That one's going too far as well. Alright, so the app knows I've arrived. Now I'm going to call the customer.
This Uber call is being recorded.
Be right there. Okay, got it. Let's go. Oh, £3. I'm going to take that one. It's only going across the street, and it's across the street already. That's perfect. I've got to turn you off, bro. Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, it's 4223.
4223.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's 3.
Oh. Wicked. Yeah. Thank you. Good for you, seen that. Enjoy.
Okay.
Oh,
sorry.
It might be a bit warm.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Just Eat, man. What are you doing? That is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. How's it just bugging out like that? Alright. So this one's literally paying me like £5 something. In total, it's like 1.4. It's currently started raining, and that's why we didn't have a proper microphone on today, because I just knew it was gonna be a wet day today. But either way, let me map myself to this subway. Currently, right now, I've done 6 jobs. I'm on £21. Oh, okay, let's go through the uni. Yeah, that makes more sense. I was gonna go all the way around. Yeah, so let's go and collect these 2 more orders, go and deliver them. It's a good thing I'm wearing waterproof clothes today, because we're getting wet right now. Making a big mistake. It's just raining. You definitely don't want to forget your food bags. Okay, 2 orders, nice and easy, both in. There we go. Let me lock the bag. Nice and simple drop off, even though it's raining. We've got this one in the bag. My gears are screwed right now for some reason. I took another little shortcut, I believe. Oh, that is a serious pothole.
Hold his out.
Hi. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, my next drop off is a mile away. That's crazy because that's not what it told me when I accepted it. No way. Come on, phone. Right, let's do a U-turn. That's what it's suggesting. Let's go. See, working in the rain has its benefits. It's gonna pay a bit more, especially with the bonuses and everything else going on. If it stops raining, I'll dry off quite quick. Now this is so confusing. Pardon? Yeah, is it UberEats?
UberEats,
Yeah, wicked.
What's your name?
Joshua? Yeah, cool.
Love, my bro.
Have a great day.
You too, man. Really
Cheers, thank you. Cheers,
wrapped up,
thank
yeah?
you. Of course, thank you. Bye-bye. Phone, confirm delivery. All right, let's get to Molly T. I got order to deliver. Oh wait, this way would be the easier way for me to go, if I'm being honest. No word of a lie, shout out to Fox, because these are actually waterproof. My hands are dry and warm. £70 well spent. I tell you. Hello miss, I'm here for James T. Thank you. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah, we're not going as far as it's first suggested. Miss was like, yeah, just take. Okay. I'm just confirming with you before I take the order. The only thing that comes to mind right now is it's raining, it's pouring, the old man snoring. That guy was looking at me just like, what? Wrong timing for the clip back. It's a green light. I don't know what that little yellow squiggly line means. I'm sure well, it's for the tram, but what it means for the tram I don't know. I haven't worked in the rain in a while. Morning. It's not even morning no more, it's going 1 o'clock. Hi.
Hello.
Do you have a pin, sorry?
Yes, 7007.
7007.
You can just try
okay.
it.
Ah, cool. Thank you. No. So, do you want me just to ask him?
Is it zero? Let me check. He did send to me. 7770, sorry.
7770. Thank you.
Yes,
have a great day. Bye bye. Sorry.
Thank you.
It's alright, have a good day. Boom, boom, boom. £3.39p. So it's going 2 miles, but I definitely know it's not. German Don is literally up the hill, around the corner a little bit, and we will arrive. Currently, right now, on 9 jobs, I have made near enough £35. 34p, 95p. £34, 95p. What is wrong with me? And I done £3.50 on Deliveroo. No, Hungry Panda. But yeah, that's a different story. Who stands at the traffic lights having a conversation? rather than paying attention to where you're trying to walk. Oh, this one's definitely going further than 1.4 miles. I'm gonna say no to that. You want to make easy money in the economy, what you got to do is you got to learn what's the differences between the distance just from looking at the line. 4 items, huh? I had no clue what she was trying to say to me. Like literally. Alright, we ain't got far to go. I knew this was a good one. For a second I didn't think she was going to give me the order then. I confirmed it, showed her everything, and I just couldn't work out what she was suggesting. She said yes, but then normally they give you the order, and I just didn't want to go and take it, and next minute she starts having a go at me. So I'm trying to confirm whether I actually can take this order or not. I was so confused. How are you?
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
Do you know today you're the only person that gave me the right location for here?
Really?
Yeah. Everyone else sent me down there.
The thing is, I know it's going to be cold now, and it's not because of you. The driver before dropped the order.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No
oh,
worries,
thank you very
darling.
much.
Take
Have a
care.
great day. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Bye. Alright. I was waiting for that noise to stop, but we've got a Subway order to go and collect. It's paying £3.39p. I think I'm further in the restaurant than it is going for a delivery. But I'm going to try and make my way around as quick as possible to get to this restaurant. Matter of fact, I think this might be my quicker route. Especially to avoid the people. And there was me thinking I was done for now. Turns out I'm not. Oh, my phone's upside down. Let's get this into my box quickly. Oh Jesus, that was going way too far for £3. See this little sandwich shop on the corner here, Monty's or whatever it is. I can't lie, it's banging. Imagine they now have seating. I think they've been there for a while. I believe this might be my customer here. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, it's cool though. Water resistant. Have a great day. Fair enough. Cool. Oh, sorry. Cheers, bro. See you soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Let's do this. For some reason I'm on £40, 63p. I wonder if I just received another tip. Did I? It's calculating at £3 something. It pissed me on £43, 94p in total. I must have got a tip. No way, wait. Oh, it gave me the £4, the bonus. No, it just gave me 47. What's going on? Sorry. I don't want this order. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, I've just done near enough £48, 11 orders in 2 hours. 47.94p. I think that's me. I'm gonna get out the rain and go get something to eat. I'm kind of hungry.